Life's going great until your tire pops, your fridge dies, or your dog eats something weird and now he needs surgery. That's when you need an emergency fund. An emergency fund is money saved just for the unexpected. Not for shopping, not for vacation, only for, oh no, I didn't see that coming. Because stuff will happen, not if, but when. And when it does, you don't want to stress. You want to be ready. So what do? You set money aside, little by little. $10, $50, whatever you can. You build a little safety net. Experts say 3 to 6 months of living expenses is ideal. But hey, don't let that number scare you. Start small. $500 is better than $0. $1,000 is better than stress. And keep it easy to grab, but not too easy. Like, don't hide it in your sock drawer. But maybe not in your regular spending account either. Here's the key. It's not for fun. It's for survival. Car breaks down? Use it. Medical bill? Use it. Lost your job? That's what it's for. An emergency fund isn't just about money. It's about peace. It's about not freaking out. It's about sleeping better at night because you know you're covered. So start building your emergency fund today. Slowly, steadily, smartly. Because future you will thank, present you when life goes sideways. Subscribe for more videos. Share this video to your friends and family.